In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to stealth kill in Project Zomboid. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Depending on the situation, you might be able to get a stealth kill on a zombie. You will need a particular set of skills, and all that you have to do is sneak up behind the zombie to perform a one-hit kill. So, stealth kills in Project Zomboid are not explicitly a separate mechanic. Instead, they are more about utilizing stealth to your advantage. The main thing that you have to be aware of is that using this sneaking agility skill can help, although this isn't strictly necessary. By improving this skill in particular, you can improve the odds of this succeeding and making sure that zombies cannot detect you. So always remember to hold down the control key to enter a crouched sneaking stance. The higher you have this skill, the better your odds to actually go up behind the zombie without it noticing you. When you crouch or you sneak up behind a zombie, you might see your character raise their hand. As long as you have a short blade weapon, a blunt weapon, or even an axe, you will be able to walk up behind the zombie and press the left mouse button to perform the stealth kill. Like I said, there's no secret or special animation. As long as you are behind the zombie and it didn't notice you because it is looking the other way, or you didn't make any sound while crouching, then you are free to go up behind him and press the left click to attack. So enter combat stance, press left click, and you will be able to try to get the one-hit KO. As I've said before, there is no guarantee that this will work 100% of the time. It will depend on the level of the zombie. Sometimes they might be in crowds and others will notice you. Sometimes you might see tougher zombies, and sometimes they will simply detect you even though you have the skills and the proper weapons. But keep practicing and you will be able to get this reliably. I hope I was able to help you on how to stealth kill in Project Zomboid. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.